Welcome students of class 7. Today I will discuss on the chapter that is fiber to fabric. It is a revision of this chapter and the part 1 of revision. I hope you all have studied the NCERT textbook and every concept and also the important words and the important terms regarding to this chapter. Now just uh, I will do some question based answer to this chapter, and a copy of the in-text question will be given in your home as your homework in the um, e-portal tomorrow. Now today some question based discussion regarding this chapter, that is fiber to fabric. Now question number 1, explain the process of making yarn from fiber. So explain the process of making yarn from fiber. So from this question, it is the production of fiber from yarn. Now the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. The spun, the word that is spun given in your book comes from the spinning. That there is spinning mills which do the work. In this process, fiber from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fiber together to form yarn. So you may write down the question that explain the process of making yarn from fiber. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. It is the process of it is done by spinning. In the process, fiber from a mass of cotton is extracted and twisted. This brings the fiber together to form yarn. Next, which part of black sheep have wool? We know that the black sheep, the hairy skin called the fleece, is used as wool in black sheep. What is selective breeding? I have discussed this word. What is selective breeding? It is the process of selecting parents for obtaining a special characteristics to their offspring, especially for the sheep or for the animals which is furtherly useful. For example, the sheep, etc., is known as selective breeding. What do you mean by shearing and how it is done? So what is shearing? The process of removing the fleece from the animal like sheep, goat, etc. is known as shearing. And how it is done? It is done by shearing machine, and sometimes it is done by barber. Why shearing of wool done only in summer? Because in winter time the thick layer of fur is used by the animal to protect themselves from the cold, and for this reason the winter time is the perfect time to shear. What is scouring? The sheared skin is washed in a large tank to remove the dirt, dust and the grease particles in it. This is known as scouring. What is scouring? Very important. The sheared skin with a hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove the dirt, grease and the dust particle, which is known as scouring. How do we get wool fiber from sheep? So there is a stepwise method, that is the shearing. First of all, removal of fleece, it is called shearing. Then scouring. Scouring is the washing of the birds. Next one is sorting, that is sorting is done on the basis of the different textures. Fourth one is separation of birds, that is the two types of fiber are there, one with long and one with short. the separation of the um, short fibers is known as separation of bark. Next one, dyeing. Dyeing is the coloring of the fibers and then is the spinning to form the yarn. So it follows the shearing, scouring, sorting, separation of birds, dyeing and spinning. What an industrial hazard? That is the workers who work in an industry comes under some bacterial infections and some um, infections or some pulmonary infection due to the gases or due to some bacterial hazard or bacteria present during the processing. So this is known as industrial hazard. Now what is industrial hazard in wool industry? That is, the anthrax is a bacteria present in the flesh may sometimes attack the workers of the industry, wool industry. It is known as industrial hazard in wool industry. Explain the process of obtaining silk. So we know it is very easy. The cocoon, from cocoon it is the boiling or heated to get the long threads of or long fibers of silk, and then it is spinning to get the silk. Now what is silk? It is the protein fiber. What is wool? It is also the protein fiber. From wool is obtained from keratin, and the silk is obtained from fibrin protein. Explain the process of obtaining silk. The question is given. Now write a short note on rearing. What is rearing? It is the it is the uh, bring up of the animals like the sheep, etc. is known as the rearing. Next one, you may write the short note on rearing that. Take your pen and paper. Rearing is rising. Rearing is rising livestocks, like livestocks, livestocks, like goat, goat, sheep, sheep, cows, etc. for commercial purpose, etc. for commercial purpose. By taking them out in herds for grazing, feeding them on a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, and minerals for the better growth and yield of produce, and yield, yield, yield to produce like meat, milk, wool, etc. Just I repeat the sentences. Rearing is raising livestock like goat, cows, sheep, etc. for commercial purpose by taking them out in herds for grazing, feeding them on a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, and minerals for better growth and yield to produce like meat, milk, wool, etc. Now the in-text questions will be given in your homework page tomorrow, and you have to complete this homework and submit it in the same manner, that is in the e-portal. It will be in the JPEG format. Then you have to write the questions in your copy and then try to solve from your NCERT textbooks. All the answers will be given in your NCERT textbook, and you may write down the questions, extra questions which I have discussed today. Maximum of it are covered by NCERT exercise or the in-text questions. Now carefully read the NCERT exercise, and with the examination is upcoming, then there should be some special questions will be discussed on this on this chapter later on, that is the multiple choice or the one word etc, true false etc questions will be discussed later. So for the tomorrow, get ready for the in-text question which will be provided in your homework page. Thank you.